Ever wondered how the digital world operates? How the websites, applications, and software you use daily come to life? It all starts with the basics of information technology and programming. Welcome to this journey into the heart of the digital universe. Information technology, or IT, is the use of computers to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data or information. It's a broad term that encompasses many areas, including software development, hardware, networking, and database management. It's the backbone of the modern world, powering everything from your smartphone to the global financial system. So, where does programming fit into all this? Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. Everything you interact with on your devices, from the operating system to the smallest app, relies on programming. Now, let's delve into the core elements of IT and programming. At the heart of IT is hardware, the physical components of a computer system, such as the CPU, memory, and storage devices. These components work together to execute the instructions provided by software. Software, on the other hand, is the collection of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. It's created through a process known as programming. There are two main types of software: system software, which controls and manages the hardware, and application software, which performs specific tasks for the user. Programming involves writing code in a specific programming language. There are hundreds of languages to choose from, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and use cases. Some of the most common ones include Python, Java, and C++. To write code, a programmer uses an integrated development environment, or IDE. This is a software application that provides a range of tools for coding, testing, and debugging. Finally, there's the concept of algorithms. An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions to solve a specific problem or perform a certain task. It's a fundamental concept in both IT and programming. In summary, information technology is a vast field that involves the use of computers to handle data and information. Programming is a key part of IT, allowing us to create software that instructs hardware to perform tasks. The process involves writing code in a programming language, using an IDE, and implementing algorithms to solve problems. So, the next time you use your smartphone or log onto your computer, remember the complex world of IT and programming that makes it all possible. This is just the beginning of understanding this fascinating digital universe. There's so much more to explore, so stay curious and keep learning.